It is always a sense or a moment of joy and pride to Kenyans and to our nation when we see disciplined men and women marching by and taking the oath, committing to serve this country and yourself as they have done today. Our disciplined forces, our men and women in uniform, have been a beacon of hope that this country is stable, shall remain stable, and is a country that shall observe the rule of law. This has also gone beyond our borders, because a lot of these men and women are always called upon to serve beyond our borders in peacekeeping efforts, in training of other nations' people, and that is a clear recognition that Kenya has made tremendous strides in ensuring that we cultivate the right kind of public service, a public service that is fit for purpose, that is able to ensure that there is stability, and that is what a robust economy requires.